Look at these beautiful lanterns. I purchased this at Dollar Tree at the $5 section. And of course, I paid $5 for both of them. I'll be painting it with this white spray paint from Rust-Oleum. And now it's time to decorate these lanterns. And talking about decorating the lanterns, today it is part of an open collaboration, Decorate a Lantern. And it is being hosted by Anna, Gracie Grace, and many other creators. I'm going to be leaving the links down below so you could go ahead and visit all of these creators. In the meantime, let's go ahead and start decorating this lantern. I made this bow off camera with hot glue. I just went on and I glued it. And now it's time to add plenty of greenery and some red berries. I'm done with the greenery, so I'm going to be placing a candle inside here. I have this beautiful white and red ribbon. I'm going to be cutting a piece and then I am going to be gluing it with some hot glue. And now it's time to embellish this candle. I painted this candle with white linen chalk paint on the outside only because I wanted to make sure that once I put it inside the lantern, it looked uniform with the white lantern. So that's why you see that it's a different color in the inside. And then I'm just going to go ahead and continue to add greenery. Okay, so let's go ahead and put all of these pieces together. I also have some pine cones. I'm gonna put them inside, and this is it. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. I hope you enjoy it. For this second lantern off camera, I went and I added this beautiful gold ribbon. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tuck in those tails, and then I'm gonna proceed to add greenery along with some pine cones and some berries. I also want to remind you that this is Decorate a Lantern collaboration. I'm going to be leaving the links down below so you can go ahead and visit these beautiful talented creators. Thank you, Anna, for putting this playlist together and letting me participate with Gracie Grace. Make sure to visit her channel and show these ladies lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. And now let's go ahead and continue to decorate this beautiful lantern. And now it's time to decorate this candle. I have this ribbon. This was at the bottom of my stash. I found it and I figured, well, that goes perfect with the bowl that I just put on top of that lantern. So with plenty of hot glue, I'm gonna go ahead and glue it right in here. And I did the same thing with this candle. I painted it with white chalk paint only because it was like an off-white and it just did not go with the lantern's color. I wanted to make sure that it was nice and uniform. So I have some more of these glittery greenery, and I'm gonna go ahead and start creating sort of like a snowflake with these leaves. Thank you so much for staying until the end of my video and for supporting my channel. It truly does mean the world to me. If you are new here or coming from one of the other platforms, welcome. I'd love for you to join our family by hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to check out all the other amazing channels featured today. Be sure to let them know that I sent you. Just look at this candle. It turned out absolutely amazing. I'm in love of how the gold and the white complement each other perfectly with my color scheme. Don't forget to vote for lantern number 1 or lantern number 2. I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you haven't subscribed, just remember, subscribe, hit the notification bell button so like that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. And I will see you in my next video. And here's the final review. I hope you enjoy it.